Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Adobe Photoshop on Windows 11, then the best way to do so is through the Microsoft Store. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Wait till it loads and then search for Photoshop and hit enter. So we have two versions of Photoshop. One is Adobe Photoshop, the paid version. So you can install it from here, but you will still have to add the subscription, buy the subscription, or enter your license key. Or if you want a free version, then it's called Adobe Photoshop Express. This is a free but a diminished version of Photoshop, and if you don't want to pay, then you can use it. You can also install this one. The install button will appear here. Since the other Photoshop is installing, it's not visible, but it will appear here, and you install this. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.